Dear friends, I am dictating now second paper, that is elaboration of government technical examination papers of Tamil Nadu. This is of November December 1976 paper. This speed contains 5 minutes and you have to take 5 letters in elaboration and you have to write in an elaborated way. The content is important. If there is any omissions, you don't bother. Please get ready. Number 1. Draft a tender notice from the project engineer, Indian Tourism Development Corporation, Kovalam, for the supply of paints, varnishes, and hardware items for Indian Tourism Development Corporation complex, Kovalam, cost of tender schedule rupees 2, earnest money deposit rupees 500, validity of offer 2 months from date of opening of tenders. Application for tender schedules should be submitted before 7th July 1976. Earnest money deposit in the form of draft issued by any scheduled bank in the name of a project engineer will be accepted. Tenders in sealed covers should reach project engineer by 3 p.m. on or before 25th July 1976. Project engineer reserves right to accept or reject tenders without assigning reason. Number 2. Draft advertisement as from Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Bombay 56 for publicity assistant post. Scale of pay rupees 400 to 700 plus allowances admissible under the rules of commission. Should be a graduate with proficiency in English and Hindi. Diploma in journalism will be an additional qualification. Must have experience as reporter or correspondent of any newspaper or magazines. Proficiency in proof reading in Hindi and English. Newspapers or magazines must be able to translate from English to Hindi and vice versa. Age 30 years. Selected candidates liable for transfer anywhere in India. No traveling allowance for interview. Last date for receipt of application 10th September 1976. Number 3. Write a letter to editor of a daily welcoming the staggering of office hours in Madras and suggest a slight modification of its orders with regard to the offices situated in the George Town area, which is a business center of Madras with a concentration of private and public companies. Besides offices, many companies there start working from 9:30 a.m. All buses and electric trains between Tambaram and Madras Beach are overcrowded. This continues even after staggering of office hours of certain government offices in this area, but they run with ease and comfort towards Paris and beach terminus respectively after 10 a.m. Government may consider change of office hours to 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. instead of present 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. for certain offices in Paris corner area, as this will give relief to the daily commuters and the public both in buses and electric trains running in the Paris direction. Number 4. Government have imposed a power cut of 15% to 30% on energy consumption on account of the failure of the southwest monsoon and depletion of hydel storages. Draft a circular letter from Chairman Tamil Nadu Electricity Board to industrialists requesting cooperation with the Electricity Board by cutting their non-essential loads and bring down consumption of electricity. Industrialists may be asked to operate their own captive generating sets to the maximum extent possible and to reduce their offtake from the grid. The position will be reviewed constantly and appropriate action will be taken promptly to reduce the difficulties caused to the industrialists and other consumers. Number 5. Draft a press release with the following information as from Director of Information and Publicity, Tamil Nadu Government. An orientation course for labor welfare officers in public and private sector undertaking has been sanctioned. Duration of course 10 weeks. Minimum number 15. Maximum number 20 for the course. Director Tamil Nadu Institute of Labor Studies permitted to collect rupees 300 towards tuition fees from each candidate. Government have accorded sanction to the director of Tamil Nadu Institute of Labor Studies, Madras, to incur expenditure of rupees 6,000 for running each such course.